What's up, guys? TechHappyReviews back again. Coming back from a long hiatus, but today we have a review of the Ohuhu greenhouse. It is a 12 foot by 6 foot 6 inches width and 6 foot 6 inches high. This greenhouse comes with 6 windows. As you can see, you can pull them up, get better airflow. As you can see, I'm not done completely setting this up, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a review and kind of give you my thoughts and opinions on it and how long it took, basically everything I know about it. So anyways, I got to buy some more rocks, put another bag of rocks right here. But yeah, I just got rocks to weigh it down. And you know, the same thing on the other side, kind of spread them out a little bit better on this side. But yeah, if you're going to go the same path I did, buy 2 or 4 bags of 47-pound bag rocks, I believe. Also, another thing to note, I do not have and I'll show you right here, do not have these yet put in, but these are stakes. These come with it, and you can stake it down to the ground, and it comes with this long rope. You can just cut it, tie it around. As you can see, I started, I just hadn't got around to it yet. Anyways, yeah, got it up. Had the help of my brother-in-law. Took us probably longer than usual. One negative was the instructions. Took us about 3 to 4 hours. And right here is the instructions. It's kind of ripped up. This is literally all they send though. This is all you get. And that, honestly, my main negative, or one of the only cons I have, at least so far, was the instructions, because you can see it's pretty confusing. Tells you everything it comes with. It also comes with gloves, tape, in case the greenhouse rips. But it does tell you to dig a trench, which I did, and I'll show you once we get inside. Anyways, I'll give you guys another look over. See how big it is. Another thing I want to point out is these roll up. These are the doors. They roll down, and they have double zippers. So a zipper here and a zipper here. And what that lets you do, you can unzip the whole door, or you can do what I'm doing, just kind of having the net open and letting air get in. And there's a door on both sides, which is very useful. Depending on how you want to set it up, I'll show you how I set mine up when we get inside. Anyways, this could be very beneficial to anyone, really. And like I said, the 6 windows on the side's great. I'm wiggling it right now, pretty sturdy. And yeah, anyways, I'll get on the inside and give you guys a little bit more details. Okay, so all I did was unzip it. I only unzipped one side just to come in, kind of give you guys an idea. As you can see, it has a cross beam right here, help it stay more structural. You see it has just a tiny bit of play, and the whole thing kind of shakes, but I mean, overall, the build quality is not bad at all. You can see over here on this side, it also has another support beam. So I'm 6 foot tall, and let's turn this around, I can show you, kind of show you. And the reason why, well, I'm 6'1", and this is about 6 foot 6 inches. The reason why it's a little closer to my head is because we dug up a trench around the whole bottom of the frame. And like, you know, like it said in the, sorry my video cut out, but like it said in the instructions, you're supposed to dig out a trench all around the edges. So we did that, but in return, you're going to lose a few inches depending on how deep down you dig it. It's really optional, but it's highly recommended. I'd recommend it. Just makes this thing a little more sturdier to wind and all that resistance. But yeah, I've had this thing up for probably about week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. And I got some starter seeds growing, cucumbers, as you can see right here. It's cucumbers, microgreens. These are bell peppers. That was kind of a failed experiment, but here's green beans. As you can see, everything's growing great. And yeah, if you guys would like to see the rest of my farm, which you can see in the background, let me know in the comments. But anyways, you can also zip from inside. I had to reach down there and do it, but you could. Anyways, plenty of room. Really, I mean, you could rig up a lot in here if you wanted to, pretty much do anything you want. But as you can see, instead of using my double door, I tilled up some dirt right here, so I can just plant stuff here. And I just use this as my main door and had a little walkway. So, you know, just kind of giving you guys an idea of how I used it. But, you know, you can do pretty much whatever you want. Pretty decent space, kind of giving you guys an idea of how much space you have. We'll just stand back and I can kind of give you just like a full view. This is 12 foot. So plenty of room to start like a decent sized garden. And you know, the main reason for a greenhouse is, or at least for me, was to grow in the wintertime. Just have more of a sustained garden. As you can see, I have a pretty big garden going on out there. But yeah, that's why I have the greenhouse, so I can grow in the wintertime.